Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my channel Everything You Get by Aisha Khan. Today I'm going to share chicken roll recipe. This is very interesting, super simple and yummy. So without taking extra time, let's start. To prepare a chicken roll, take 500 grams of boneless chicken and then add pepper powder 1 tablespoon, cumin powder 1 tablespoon, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, chicken tandoori masala 1 tablespoon, MDH garam masala 1 tablespoon, chaat masala 1 tablespoon, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoon, and along with these ingredients also add raw papaya paste 1.5 tablespoon, 1 lemon juice, and curd 2 tablespoon, and salt as per your taste. After adding all these ingredients, mix it really well and marinate it for at least 4 to 5 hours for best result. If you want to marinate it for 15 to 20 minutes or 1 hour, then of course you can go for it, but for best result I think you should marinate it for 4 to 5 hours. Okay. Also add a pinch of red food color if you want to. This is completely optional, and then give it a mix. Now cover it and marinate it. Then after 4 to 5 hours, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and again give it a mix. Then in a heated pan, add all these chicken in a high flame. After adding all the chicken in a pan, lower the flame to medium and cover the pan and cook this chicken until chicken get tender and dry. So as soon as the chicken is ready, add chopped onions and carrots to it. I have chopped 2 onions and 2 carrots here, and I'm gonna adding all of these in the chicken, and again cook it in a low flame for 5 to 10 minutes. So this is completely mixed now. Cover the pan and cook it in a low flame for 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, chicken combined with the carrots and onions really well, as you can see here. So this is the best time to give this chicken a smoky flavor. So for that, take a piece of charcoal, heat it in a high flame and put in a small bowl, and place it in a kadhai and pour some ghee in it and cover the kadhai. That's it, like this. On the other hand, let's prepare sauce. So to prepare a sauce, take a bowl and add 8 to 9 tablespoons of tomato ketchup and 2 to 3 tablespoons of green chili sauce, and mix it really well. After that, I'm adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. If you like mayonnaise, then add it, but if you don't like it, then you can skip this step. This is completely optional. Then I'm using 2 eggs here for 1 lachha paratha. So beat this egg with some salt, and also I'm using eaten fresh half cooked lachha paratha. This is ready made lachha paratha. So first of all, in a pan, add some olive oil. Then after that, add beaten eggs and spread it all over your pan. Then add half cooked lachha paratha here, like this, and cook it from both the sides really well. Now take it out in a serving plate, and it's time to arrange all of the ingredients in a chicken roll. So first of all, add some sauce here which we have made, and spread it all over your paratha like this. Then add adequate amount of chicken. After adding chicken, roll it, wrap it with some butter paper and serve it. And I'm telling you, you will love it. If you like my videos, then give it a thumbs up. This is completely free, and subscribe to my channel if you want to. And see you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourselves, and Allah Hafiz.